Don't go see on the foot.
Well. What do we got here? 10 minutes worth of jokes. Do me a favor. Just like the video from now. While you watch, leave a comment. Just subscribe for now. While you watch, just share the video so somebody else can enjoy the laughter too. Don't be a meanie. Now enjoy.
Bernie,
No.
me not tell you to stop drink rum.
That's cool, no, man. Me alright, man.
Oh, if you alright, look which one you come drink and drop.
Yeah, cool.
Bernie, you not listening, you not swear rum a do you.
You know me property. When the fuck you come here and watch this? I just show me. Yo. How you walk out coming here?
No gate.
You see where rum cause? And me just know, see a J, Ray and nephew at it again. Stay away from the rum if you can't manage it. My granny always say, don't trouble when not trouble you. I them this yet.
Wait for it.
Run, boy.
A few moments later.
No, it's alright, that's how we are go. I'm not going to up on the live video. I'm not going to go for the
Calm yourself, man. Easy yourself.
Bike straight. Yeah, that's what we have on here.
We have to check out.
I said, I'm not right up on the mask. I'm here, I'm
Bring your image, man.
Y'all remember in a third World Cup when the police them a pass and Ninja say, run away, boy. I hate this in a real life. It's just that in the movie, the cops ain't go and continue about their business. But in a real life, they ain't stop. Well, this is an amazing act. It's also a safety hazard. Brother, I didn't see a cause accident at Jamaican, but me not tell you lie, in skill.
Hey man, them a Jamaica talented. The fuck, them man act like him blind. Watch him. Oh, you never find the people there in there. Somebody that gives some silver. Oh, he knows that. Watch him. Oh, he knows that there's a silver there. Watch him. Watch him, how are they win? Why are they win? Let me see if I come so.
No, this man, we all know saying no blind, but hey, if the man and woman then can up on TikTok and say tap, and a beg. Allow the mentally ill man make him beg. He been out on the street for years now. I feel him trade that. Can't do him though. Just give him $1 or $100 rather and move on.
Guys, we have something for show now. I'm going to show you on foot. I want to leave on a comment, alright? Look at this.
Don't go see on the foot.
Jenna 2 Augusto. Yo, I ugly set a two of me ever seen in my life. Just imagine somebody put that up in your mouth and say kissy.
Alexa, ligar o ventilador.
This a funny, I most deadly fun me ever seen in my life, brother. That's what up, man. My rather sleep hot more than to die fun day. Cause I don't want to wake up dead.
Wrong me G. Lick down it blood clot. Fuck with shadow.
I'm not saying wrong, I'm not saying right, but better end this than off her. More than probably no, me not do that. You know what? More than probably do the same hours.
I'm in a grocery store in Montego Bay, Jamaica right now, and the prices here are absolutely crazy. Half a watermelon is $11? What? This tiny bag of Cheetos is $6. King size? This isn't even print size. 15 frickin' dollars for some green grapes? Are they filled with gold? This box of Frosted Flakes, $19. $19. $19. $4.40 for one red pepper? A Jack's Pizza, the crappiest, the worst frozen pizza of all time, is $7.50. How do Jamaicans afford to live in Jamaica? Crappy Chips Ahoy cookies for $8.50? Come on, bro. This might be the craziest one yet. $8.50 for just 2 paper towels? Local Jamaicans, help me out. Make it make sense. Why is everything so ridiculously expensive at the grocery stores here in Montego Bay? Like, I literally feel like I'm in Switzerland.
Let me tell you, Jamaica expensive. Jamaica goddamn expensive. The prices, the cost of living is no flipping joke. A madness, man. Well, if sleep on the same side you sleep last night was 2 people, it would be them. Buju have a song say, you have a close one yesterday? Well, them have a close one today. Jaja.
Fellas, y'all need to get rid of these women who telling y'all let us take it slow or let we take it slow. And by time now and tomorrow they're begging y'all for money. Get rid of those fucking kangalangs. If we taking it slow, we taking it fucking slow. Don't beg for nothing. Not once, cunt. Get a fucking job.
All I want to know is who's anti this? Who's anti this? Every time I see this lady, she says some outlandish shit. Stuff. Somebody come get them auntie from the islands.
So stop calling me no brother. Stop calling me no pussy a batty boy. Kiss me. Suck out me tongue. Suck out me tongue. Suck out me tongue. Kiss me from me lip. Then go suck your mother, man.
If you want a Jamaican man, if you leave you alone, just say some homophobic stuff. And then gone. It's either I'm gonna fight or I'm gonna leave you alone. So, you see, kiss me. That make that man run left him cause man ain't them BS day. Jamaicans, we are something else.
This is because I'm here candy man. Actually, but I like you suck up the rabbit right now in the candy. Right, I'm saying I like you know my ritual.
Alright then, like how you want me to do that? I'm just gonna turn back where I'm going to lick out my ass. That's okay? You ready? Let's go. The camera roll, right?
Boy, you want to man suck off a rabbit.
You ready?
You want ass.
Me don't need that put up on my ass. I can just push in your tongue. Or maybe we can do a 69 or something.
I got nothing to say.